Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and on this video I'm sharing with you our daily expenses using the Singapore bus and train. For day 1, from the airport we went straight to the hotel and we had lunch at Maxwell and spent the afternoon at Chinatown and Orchard Road. But back to the hotel, the total cost for that day per person is just $6.77. For day 2, we spent the whole day at Universal Studios and the cost was just $3.46. For day 3, we went to Maxwell, we went to Marina Bay Sands, and then Merlion, then went to the IMM Outlet Mall, and at the evening, we spent our time at the Marina Bay, at Lau Pa Sat, and back to the hotel. And for that day, not including the taxi, we spent a total of $8.46 per person. And for the last day, Lau Pa Sat for breakfast, shopping at Boogie's, and back to the airport. And the total bill for that day was $4.40 only. Using the bus has its pros and cons. Number 1, it's cheaper than the MRT. It's very accessible, it's very near to the tourist spots, and it's very good for sightseeing, especially on a double deck. The disadvantage though, there's a longer wait time and there's a slower travel time when taking the bus. The MRT is very fast, it's convenient, it's affordable, and it's accessible to tourists. We use the debit card instead of buying the Singapore Pass, and here are some apps that are essential for your travel. I use Google Maps and Singabus the most. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and see other Singapore videos. Have a good day. Bye.